Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your TikTok offers profile, pick the right product, and start earning as an affiliate. Let's jump in. So first you need to open TikTok and switch to a business account. So this will unlock links, analytics, and the TikTok shop or offer tools you will need. You can just open your profile, go to the settings, and in here click on account and choose switch to business account. Click on this one, click on next, then continue. Here you need to choose a category. I'm going to just go with, let's say, personal blog. Okay, now you can access the TikTok offers or TikTok shop. You can go here, go to the TikTok studio, and then head to the TikTok shop options. So here you'll find digital and physical products you can promote as an affiliate. No inventory, no shipping, no cost. And next you can just choose a high conversion product. Choose a product with high demand, decent commissions, and good ratings. So you can focus on niche like beauty and skincare, fitness and weight loss, gadgets, or digital courses. After that, you can just click on promote and copy your affiliate link. So you can set up your profile for conversion. You can use niche username, for example, beauty finds. And here you need to have a clear bio, for example, daily tips and best deals. And you can also add your affiliate link in the bio or link in a bio tool such as Beacons or Linktree. So don't post boring product ads. You need to post content that solve a problem. For example, instead of saying buy this skincare, you can say, do you struggle with dark spot? Try this. Our socks, buy the results. So you need to create products with story and then benefit and CTL at in mean sales. And that's how you can create your TikTok offers profile and start earning as an affiliate. If you want me to create another one, you can just comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.